Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are solving CAT 2024 slot 1 quantitative abilities question. Okay, before solving this question, I just wanted to tell you that Trident Classes is coming up with CAT 2025 batch. If you guys are interested, you can get in touch and we will, design a personalized this thing. Okay, obviously it'll be a batch system, but something can be done, right? Having said that, now let's look into this question. In this question, it is given that x is a positive real number such that 4 log x base 10, 4 log x base 100 and logarithmic expression equals to 13, then the greatest integer not exceeding x is. Now, this is a fairly easy question, and in one of the algebras, one of the algebra sessions, I did mention that, you need to have a fair bit understanding of what is your greatest integer function, not less than the given number, least integer function greater than or equal to a certain number variable. Okay, so I think the only instance that can create a problem is this greatest integer. Other than that, this question was a sitter. Having said that, let's solve this question. So they have said that the expression 4 of log x base 10, I'm leaving this expression as it is. The other expression is 4 log x base 100. Now, this thing is as good as 10 square. Okay, 10 square in the base uh, x plus 8 log x 10 cube. This is equals to 13. Now, we know there is a property of the logarithm which says that whenever there is an exponent in the base, this exponent can be taken outside of the log, but then it will be divided by that exponent, right? So I'm rewriting this expression. So the expression will be something like that now. 4 log of x base 10 plus 4 by 2 log of x base 10 and 8 by 3 log of x base 10. This all equals to 13. Now, at this point, either you can assume a value. Let's say you can assume that log of x to the base 10 is equals to y, in which case this becomes a little visually easy for you to comprehend. Otherwise, you can work with this also. So this is as good as 2. So this is 6, 18 and 8, 26. So 26 log of x base 26 by 3, 26 by 3. Okay, base 10, that is equals to 13. 13 cancels this by 2 and log of x base 10 becomes 3 by 2. Now again, there is a property, a very interesting property of logarithm that talks about the transposition of logarithm from the LHS to the RHS, and the transposition will basically work such that you can transpose the log to the LHS, but then you will have to send this RHS term into the exponent. Okay, so this thing can be written as x is equals to 10 raised to the power 3 by 2. I can also write it something like this: 10 cube square root over 10 cube. Now this is as good as 10 into square root of 10. Okay, fairly simple. Now all you need to do is just plug in the value of square root of 10 and you will get the answer. So for those of you who know the value of root over 10, you know it. If you don't know it, you can use the calculator. The value is 3.1 something something something. Okay, 3.1 multiplied by 10 gives you 31 point something something something. This is the value of x. Okay, they have said in the question, if you remember, greatest integer not exceeding x. So remember, the greatest integer that would not exceed this x is obviously going to be 31, and that has to be my answer. So in the box you have to substitute 31. Basically this was a type in the answer theta question. Okay, so this was an easy question. Now let's discuss one thing. If you were not aware of the greatest integer part of it, maybe you would have substituted 30 and that would have made an incorrect answer choice. So you needed to keep certain things in perspective. Trident is starting with the CAT 2025 batches. We are going to start our classes from mid-January, and that will give you a lot of time for your preparation. Okay. Last year, I conducted more than 130 classes. I don't know what to say. If you guys are interested for enrollment, you can get in touch with me. The description will have all the necessary links, and that's it. Thank you.